Hey guys, today we're going to find percent change. So we're going to look at a Biggest Loser competition where someone has a starting weight and an ending weight, and we're going to find the percentage that their weight changed. So we're going to start with Samantha first, and sorry about the dog, and we're going to find the difference between the two weights. So you always put the bigger number first minus the smaller number. So here's your first one. Remember, you can use your calculator. So you have the change of 74 pounds, okay? So you're gonna put the change, that's 74, over the original. So that's 283. So it's the change over the original. Always, always. Equals x over 100. Remember, x is our percentage. That's what we're finding. We're finding percent change. So again, you could use this for any situation. You find the difference between the original and the ending. It could be for a price over the original, and then you have your percent over 100. Solve this like a regular proportion with your calculator. 74 times 100 divided by 283. And x equals 26.148. It says at the top of your paper, you're going to round to the nearest hundredth of a percent. So our percent change is 26.15%. And that is your correct answer for Samantha. Now let's look at Jamie. So Jamie's ending weight was a bigger. So she did, her percent changed was an increase, but we still, when we need to subtract it, we're still going to find the difference between the weights. So even though her second weight or ending weight comes first, we're going to subtract the difference. And she did increase, but she percent changed of 27, or not percent, her weight changed with 27 pounds. So again, you do your 27, that's the difference over the original. So this one, our original, was 306, and then you do your x over 100, and you multiply 27 times 100 divided by 306, and then x equals 8.823, and then that rounds to 8.82%. So try this one on your own and then push play to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so for Hannah, we're going to find the difference between the two weights. So 271 minus 250, so this one was a decrease, a percent decrease. And our difference was 21. So we have our change over our original, which was 271, x over 100, x equals 7.749. And then that rounds to 7.75% change. Again, make sure you round that percent to the nearest hundredth that said. Oh, sorry, that's the decimal point. Not looking very good. But make sure that you find the difference over the original. Make sure it's always the original. And then x over 100. And then just solve your proportion. Here on this next slide is the work that we've done to show you kind of what we expect for the rest of this assignment. Make sure you're checking your answers, making sure it makes sense with your percent of change. And I hope you enjoy this activity.